Hello guys and welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm December unboxing. I wasn't going to do this video this month, to be honest with you, because this arrived so late to me. I felt like it's too late to be unboxing. Most of you guys who are subscribed to Boxycharm probably got your box already, and I know a lot of people watch it for spoilers, but then I peeked in my box and there are some products in here that I think you guys might want to see a tutorial with and that I think are pretty cool, so I decided to do it anyways. So this is the base box. You usually get 5 full-size items and it's a $25 box. So I'm going to start off with the skincare product out of the box. I thought this was super cool, even though I'm not going to be putting it on my face today. I really am happy with this because this is something that I would purchase on my own. So this is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So I definitely could have used it as a primer today, but I kind of just glanced over it in the box until now. But Elemis is a very popular skincare brand, and everything I've seen from Boxycharm so far from Elemis I've actually really liked. This is a $49 product, so let's pop it out of here. I love anything that claims to have like a glow or hydration because I do have dry skin myself. The bottle is nude. It's kind of cute. It kind of looks like a little foundation. But this is their Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. So I want to pump some of this onto the back of my hand just so I can see how it feels and how it smells. So it kind of has a little tint to it. It does have that same tint as the bottle. It smells kind of natural. Nothing too intense or strong about the smell, and it does feel pretty moisturizing on my hand right now, which my hands are so dry right now. They actually need all the help they can get. It is a little bit tinted, so I think it is going to give you a little bit of like an airbrushed look. I'm going to have to try this under my makeup really soon because I think I'm going to like it. Next up, we have another really cool product. This is from the makeup eraser. It's called The Sponge, and it's the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. So this is non-toxic, hypoallergenic, latex free, and it looks like it comes with a little container that you machine wash your sponge in. Now I definitely have mixed feelings about that. I would probably spot clean the sponge before I put it through my washer, just because I would hate for like foundation and concealer to mix in with my clothing, but I do think it's a cool concept for a deep clean. Although again, I kind of have sensitive skin, so I don't know if I would want my detergent and my like fabric softener to be inside my makeup sponge, but the concept is really cool. Now this retails for $18. I want to pop it out and see what it looks like. This would make a really good gift, I think, for anybody who is just getting into makeup, maybe doesn't know how to clean their sponges. So this is really cool. It comes with this little container to wash it in. It's like a screw-on container, and the sponge itself is burgundy, which I love this time of year, and I actually don't have any sponges in that color, so that's appealing to me. So it says machine wash in your wash ball approximately once a week with your makeup eraser or towel. You can put in here too. And then it says if you have not washed it in over a week or you're a heavy makeup wearer, soak your sponge in your favorite cleanser or detergent for 15 to 60 minutes prior to washing in the machine. And you can put this in the dryer on high heat. The higher the heat, the happier the sponge. It kills the germs in the sponge, so you can dry your sponge too. So for me, I think my brush and sponge washing routine is kind of down. I use a bar soap from Dr. Bronner's for my sponges, and it works really amazingly. It's very cheap and affordable, but I do like this concept. I think I would like this to dry my sponges more than anything, just because it'd be nice to have access to them right away. Although if you do go right back into makeup application after washing your sponges, they're already wet, so you could use it right then and there. But for travel especially, I think it's so cool that you could just throw it in the dryer. I am definitely going to use this. I think it's really cool, and it's such a fun item to get in the box, because for me, this is not something I would purchase on my own just because it is a little bit gimmicky, but it's definitely something that I'm happy to have and to try out. So I feel like I want to try this soon. So next time I do my makeup, I'm going to have to use this little sponge, and it feels like it's a nice soft, like it's going to be a nice growing sponge, if that makes sense, not too dense. So I think I'm going to like this little thing. So first up, out of the products that I can actually try on today, we have a Viseart Professional Makeup Eye Primer. So I've never tried actually anything, I think, from Viseart, and they're a very popular pro makeup brand. And let me see how much this retails for. So this retails for $24, and I'm gonna pop this on because we do have eyeshadow in the box this month. I have not looked at the palette yet, so I still don't know the color story that we're gonna be working with, but it is important for me to always use an eye primer. It looks like a silicone-y kind of primer, and it feels like one too, kind of like slick. It definitely doesn't have any pigment to it really, so it's not like Anastasia or P. Louise. I'm just applying it with my finger. I have my little holiday kiss press-on nails right now. Christmas is coming so fast. I feel like this month has flown by. I didn't even mention the theme of the box. It's bubbles and glitz. So like Christmas, New Year's kind of theme. And so the eyeshadow palette in the box is from Iconic London. I still have not opened it yet. This is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Oh, so it actually has products in it for the face, which I already have face products on. I'm gonna be so dumb if I really... No, I really did that to myself. I really did my face makeup and not my eye makeup because I thought this was gonna be an eyeshadow palette and it's a face palette. I'm such an idiot, you guys. So let me just give these a fair little swatch and then we will use the bronzer for my eyeshadow today. So it looks like there are 3 different shades of highlighter in here, a light, a medium, and a more golden highlighter shade. So here are the 3 different highlights, and I feel like they do have a nice golden one for deeper skin tones. Here are the 2 blushes. We have a shimmery kind of peachy gold, and then we have a dusty rose, more of a matte satin finish. And then there is more of a matte bronzer in here that does look like a really nice bronzer color for me. So I do feel pretty dumb for thinking that this was an eyeshadow palette, but just at first glance, I saw the eyeshadow primer, I saw lashes, we have lashes in the box, and I thought this was gonna be a palette for the eyes. So I'm sorry about that, I suck, but the beauty of makeup is it's multi-use. So we're gonna go ahead and use that matte bronzer, and we're gonna use it in the crease. This is something I do all the time, literally all the time for my makeup anyways, so whatever. We're just gonna have a simple neutral look and go hard with the lashes that are in the box. So I'm just taking a Sigma brush and I'm gonna pack this into the outer portion of my eyelid. I use bronzer as eyeshadow all the time in my lazy makeup routines because it's so simple, it always goes with everything, and it's an easy way to just add definition to your eyelids. I can't really judge the eyeshadow base too harshly because we're not doing a super intricate makeup look, but I will say the bronzer is blending over the eyeshadow base just fine. Now, as always, I want to know what you guys got in your boxes. I know this was a month for Boxyluxe, and I had a couple people DM me saying that they were disappointed with their Boxyluxe this month, and I want to know what you guys thought of your box if you do get the upgrade. I'm definitely curious, and also I love to know if you got different products than me, what did you get in your box this month? So I take the bronzer and I also put it on my lower lash line. It's like the easiest, most simple, like rushing out the door kind of eye look that you're probably gonna see from me. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that blush, the matte dusty rose color, and this is just gonna go on to my lid because I feel like I'm gonna get creasing if I don't put any color on my lid. Normally I wouldn't really do pink and brown, but I think it's gonna match my skin tone enough to where you guys can't really tell that I have pink on my eyelids, hopefully. I mean, that Iconic London palette retails for $55. It's probably a beautiful face palette. I like the colors in it, so I'm not mad at it at all. I'm dumb. I thought it was something else. But it doesn't matter, you guys, because these are the reason why I decided to film this video today, because even though it's late, I want to give you guys my first impression on Glamnetic eyelashes. This is liquid magnetic liner and magnetic eyelashes. So let me read the description because I have never used a magnetic lash before. I've seen them, of course, but I've never personally used them, and this is my excuse to do so. So this is the Glamnetic Bella Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. Together they retail for $63. So let's read. It says, Bella is a medium wispy flared lash that gives a classy and beautiful winged eye effect. Made from high quality 100% vegan synthetic fibers, the magnetic magnetic eyeliner is the magic that holds your Glamnetic lashes in place all day. It's highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all day hold. I'm scared, but let's go through it together. So it says on the back, cut the magnetic lash down to fit the eye width. Apply magnetic liner on the lash line where the lashes will adhere. Adhere the lashes to the magnetic liner. So I think I might actually have to do my wing first and then just put the liner where my lashes are gonna go on. I really don't wanna mess this up, so I don't wanna do something I'm not supposed to do. So what I'm gonna do is snap my fingers and be back with a cat eye with a different liner, and then we're gonna put the magnetic liner down, then we're gonna put the lashes on. So it's so cool. There's actually a magnetic strip on the packaging that these are stuck to. It just looked like it was a long band, but it's just the magnetic strip there. So I think that's awesome that they're like magnetic. I know, I'm so late to the game. So I am going to apply some of this Black Magic liner, and I'm just gonna pop it right over the wing that I put down. And I wanna note that the wing that I put down didn't come out the best because honestly, I think that the slippery eyeshadow base did me no favors. So I don't really love the eyeshadow base. Like my liner wanted to skip. And I think it's because of that base. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this along where the lashes are hopefully gonna go. And then I'm gonna paint over my lashes with a little bit of mascara. So I'm making sure I get close to the lash line here. I mean, it's not glue, like it can't be glue like eyelash glue. It's just a magnet. I don't know what to expect. I don't know how tight they're gonna be on my eye. It smells a little odd. It smells a little like painty. Now that I think I got a good amount on the lash line, I'm gonna take some mascara just so that my lashes don't stand out like crazy. I'm not sure if you're supposed to like bend these to try to get them to shape to your eyes or anything. I literally don't know. We're just gonna go in and hope that they stick and hope that they don't fly away. First time ever trying magnetic lashes, let's do it. Are they on? I feel like they're on good. And what I really like is like when you put a lash on with glue, there's usually gaps and you have to like shove the lash into the gaps, if that makes sense, to like make sure it picks up your eyelid. It's like on there, like on there. It's got a good grip all the way along. So let me hurry up and get the other lash on. I don't know if I have to hurry up, but let's do it. What? What the heck? Like I'm trying to pull it away, like, and they're on there so good. I am like kind of shocked right now because the first time I saw magnetic lashes, I was like, yeah, right, I'm never gonna do these. And here I am, like, I feel like it's been years. I feel like they've been out forever now, and I feel like I've been missing out because that's so nice to not have glue. I mean, the liner comes off my hand pretty easy, if that says anything. I think it's gonna come off easier than lash glue would come off. So I am shocked. Like I really like these Glamnetic lashes and I kind of want to get more now. It says on the back to remove them, gently peel off the lashes from either corner, so the same as like regular lashes, and cleanse the skin with oil-based makeup remover. Then it says to reuse the lashes, clean the magnets by gently scratching off the dried magnetic liner. So there's like little magnets on the band and you just have to scratch off the liner. But that is so impressive. I am so happy that this was in the box because this is something that I wasn't gonna purchase, I wouldn't purchase on my own, and now I feel like I will. And Glamnetic is like, I think the most popular brand for the magnetic lashes, so I love that they included this brand. This box had a value of $209, so very good value for a $25 box. So I will leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up to Boxycharm. They've always been my favorite subscription box. I do get this box sent to me, so that's why I don't get a choice in the variation of products like you guys do if you buy the box. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope hope that you guys enjoyed it. If I don't see you again before Christmas, I hope you have an amazing holiday, and I will see you very, very soon in the new year with more content. We're going to be going on a massive declutter the week after Christmas, and I'm going to be decluttering almost every section of my makeup collection so that in the new year I can show you guys an entire makeup collection video. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming videos, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys!